Hello everyone. Now I wanted to do another tip. I mean, I did one tip of the week a long time ago, and there's been many weeks between then and now. I want to do more building tips and ways to use parts, teach you ways to use parts that are just sitting around and annoy you. Have you been zooming your spaceship around and you're like, oh, I want to build a spaceship, and then you go into your parts and you find what all your wings are the same side. It can be incredibly frustrating. Or you're thinking, I'm going to build a spaceship, and halfway through the build you realize you do not have enough of the corresponding part. So I have this issue. I often get given, or have been in the past, given large amounts of parts, or bought bulk lots, and the parts just aren't there. So recently, this year, I came up with an idea for one of those parts. So the 3x6 wing, I will zoom in on that. Yeah, you can't use it for a space part or wings, but I had another idea which is totally unrelated. Here I made some trees. Recently I did a Christmas display at a shopping mall with my lug, and previously to that I did a Halloween event and made Halloween versions of these trees. So today I'm going to teach you how to make these pine trees. So just with very few parts and very simple design, you can fill in a whole forest on a huge diorama. Only 25 parts per tree. Really simple design, simple parts. Okay, let's build it. So there are 5 brown 1x1 bricks and 2 black 1x1 plates on top of the 5-sided snot piece. And then we simply, and then on top of the second black snot piece we put 2 more black 1x1 plates and a small 1x1 dark green slope tile. Well, you can do the tree in any color: white, dark green, orange, light green, or any color you can find the parts in. And then we simply stick the tree onto the snot pieces. And yes, it all points in the same direction, but the effect actually looks pretty good, I think, anyway. If you don't like it, you can tell me. I will not be upset. But very simple tree, and if you're trying to save more parts, you can not put the 1x1 bricks in between, but it's weak if you don't want to crush them easily. I hope you enjoyed that little tree building tutorial, and never despair. If you can't build a spaceship, go echo and build some trees. You're probably wondering what that spaceship is actually, but I like classic space Lego, and this is one of my favorites from childhood. The 6845 little spaceship, which comes out of my minifigure case with all my little classic space minifigures. So yes, trees and classic space, no relation at all, but a happy building, and I will try and give you some more building techniques and ideas in future videos. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, today I thought I would do something I